Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the front shock absorbers, the springs and the strut support mount on Opel Meriva B. First we start by removing the wheel. The shock absorber is held by two bolts on the bottom, which we need to remove. We need to remove the brake hose as well, and also you need to deattach the ABS cable. Also we need to remove the upper twist rod, the upper nut on the twist rod. That's the twist rod removed. Now we'll remove the brake hose and also the bracket holding the ABS cable. Next we'll get an elastic rope so that we hold the whole wheel while we remove the two bolts that hold the shock absorber. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we go on top of the car so that we can remove the bolt holding the shock absorber on top. In order to get to the shock absorber, first we need to remove those plastic trims. We also need to remove the windshield wiper. The windshield wipers are not going out that easy, so I'm using locking pliers to set them free. Just put on the nut a little bit and press the locking pliers like that. And now you just bend the windshield wiper, the arm, you bend it up and down and it will come out. Here the wiper arm is loose now. Now we can remove the nut and remove the arm. We do the same on the other side. Now we can remove the plastic trim. Now that we've removed the plastic trim, we see where the nut holding the shock absorber is, but there is no space to remove it, so we need to remove the bolts holding the wiper mechanism. The wiper mechanism is held by a couple of bolts, and you see exactly where I'm removing them. Now that we've removed all the bolts for the wiper mechanism, you can just move it aside a little bit, just move it over so that we can get access to the nut holding the shock absorber. And now we remove the nut. Now we can take off the shock absorber. And that's the shock absorber out. Now I'll show you how to replace everything. Just take everything apart and just replace whatever you need to replace on your shock absorber. I'm using a spring compression tool so that I can compress the spring so that I can remove the nut holding the strut support mount. Now that I've removed the nut, we can take everything out and replace whatever is needed. In my case, I'm replacing the shock absorbers along with the strut support mount. Make sure to press the new shock a couple of times up and down so that it starts working before you put it on the car. And now we assemble everything back together. I'm using locking pliers to lock the shock so that I can tighten the nut without it spinning. And now I can loosen the compression tool and make sure everything goes in the exact position where it has to go. That's it, the strut is done. Now we can put it back on the car. After we put the shock back on the car, we assemble everything back in the reverse order, and that's it. Thank you for watching.